Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word persuasively. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The salesperson persuasively convinced me to buy the product by explaining all of its benefits and features. The word persuasively means to present an argument or idea in a compelling manner that convinces or influences others to take a desired action. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.